You have a good time?
Festival. Mom, that's your favorite.
This is it that I've
oxtail.
been waiting. You have to tape the girls.
Their
First
favorite.
time they try. Ooh.
No, that's shrimp. Curry shrimp. My cousins from Korea are in America for the first time, and my mom wanted them to try her favorite Jamaican food from Jamaica Me Hungry food truck in Detroit.
Yum, 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 yum. Mm.
Oh my god.
I'm just so happy that
Just salad
you
dressing.
can get to eat this before
Yeah.
you leave, and you too. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yes.
Have this.
Now eat it. Now you got to eat it with this. Eat some of that together. 같이 먹어
Oh my god.
with vegetables.
It's vegetables.
So that's the curry shrimp. Oh, you ate the tail and everything.
The best.
Finger okay.
Finger food.
Very soft.
Very tender.
Tender, yeah.
Really good? Do you like it? So mom's trying the turkey neck.
Mm. This is as good as oxtail. Not as great as oxtail, but it's really good tender. Look at how it falls apart.
Wow.
Mmm.
I understand. I know, I
want
know. I know, yeah.
가위바위보.
Okay.
가위.
가위바위보.
가위바위보. 가위바위보. 가위바위보.
보.
Oh, 2 out of 3.
가위바위보.
Oh, I lost. Okay, I give you one.
You didn't want to share your turkey neck.
No. It's good as oxtail. I'm not joking. It's just really tender. Mm.
It's good.
Different.
It's different.
Yes.
Try. Now you gotta try the festival.
This? This is.
Yeah, really good.
It is. What is this?
You're right about the consistency.
It tastes like Korean donut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of has a donut consistency to it.
Yeah,
Cream.
really good.
I'm so glad they open Friday.